hungover eating with Rose. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? Hey guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. As you've seen, I had to get started on my food because I am going through some things today. I'm a bit hungover and I was craving everything. So I got some food prepared. So here I have tteokbokki. I actually made this the other day, so I didn't make it this morning. Okay, I'm not crazy. I'm crazy, just not in that way. So I made some tteokbokki, spicy Korean rice cakes. I boiled some dumplings. I did make kimbap this morning, Korean seaweed rice rolls. I already had the vegan chickpea salad, so I just have to roll it up with some pickled radish. And then of course I have, I think this is new, the new vegan shinramen. This is a really popular Korean ramen brand, and I saw the vegan version recently, so I was very excited. And I have on the side here kimchi, pickled radish, and then just like a soy sauce and vinegar mix for the dumplings. My friends, I had a few drinks last night, and honestly, when I'm hungover, the first thing I crave is ramen. But I also just kind of crave everything. Is that normal? I feel like some people can't eat when they're hungover, but I am like so hungry when I'm hungover. By the way, tteokbokki recipe is already out, okay? On top I have a little puffy tofu. And my hair, literally, this was my hair this morning. I just didn't touch it. Whew. Oh, my friends. I don't have anything crazy to say today. Because I'm not in that state where I can entertain. There's like a big mushroom in here. You guys, what do you do when you're hungover? What do you want to eat when you're hungover? I feel like there's no food that's an actual hangover cure. Like, is there actually? Because I feel like you just have to sleep. And drink water. So I wonder why there's like certain foods that we eat when we're hungover. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I thought it would be at least a little more entertaining than this. Well, you know, maybe this is my ASMR video. You know, just watch me eat. That's an untapped market, you know. I don't believe there's many vegan ASMR mukbang channels. There's one called like Herbivore. No. Veggie. Is it Herbivore ASMR? Anyway, there's one channel. She does like ASMR videos, like mukbang, but like vegan. But other than that, it's an untapped market. So maybe this is my entrance into the ASMR world. Hungover eating with Rose. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? And I feel like I did drink quite a bit last night, but I swear my hangover is definitely getting worse as I get older. I don't need to drink that much to be like super hungover or very tired. You know? If you can find this, you should get it. This tastes like my childhood. You guys, don't know if I'm feeling more alive or more dead, but either way, got some food in me. Thanks for joining me as I'm hungover. Am I gonna put this out on the internet? Classy move. If I ever need to get a job in the future, this might hinder my application. Oh my Lord. Ah, you guys. Alcohol is the devil. Anyways, I'm full. I can't eat anymore. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry about this video. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry. If anyone's even here, God bless you. Okay? Okay. Anyway, sorry if my lens is kind of like, what the hell? What's on my lens? I hope the lens thing wasn't too distracting. Anyway, I'm so sorry that you had to watch this. I promise a better mukbang next time. Honestly, I was gonna eat a bunch of food, so that's why I was like, I'm just gonna film a mukbang. Maybe you watch this as you're hungover and feeling like crap. And don't worry, you're not alone. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Okay, subscribe to this channel. I promise all my content isn't like this. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.